Point of order, Hal Williams.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. This week, 12 Catalan leaders go on trial in Spain's Supreme Court on charges of rebellion and sedition. If found guilty, they face sentences of up to 25 years in jail. Their supposed crime was organising a democratic referendum on Catalan independence in October 2017. One of their number is the President or Speaker of the Catalan Parliament, Carmen Forcadell, whom you graciously welcomed to our house when she visited us as a free woman. Her alleged crime was allowing a debate in the democratically elected Catalan Parliament on Catalan independence. Mr. Speaker, I know that you cannot comment directly on these matters, and I would wish in no way to put you in a difficult position. But can you confirm for me that it would be in order for you to allow a debate on Welsh independence in this democratically elected House, and for me to take part, and that neither you, sir, nor myself would be likely to face arrest and potentially a long term of imprisonment for so doing?
I'm very grateful to the honourable gentleman for his courtesy in giving me advance notice of his intention to raise his point of order. Moreover, I'm grateful to him for its substance, both because he raises an important point to which I shall respond, and because it gives me the opportunity to say that I well remember welcoming Carmen Forcadell when she came to this place. It was a privilege to do so. On the substance of the matter, let me say to the honourable gentleman that it is, of course, entirely orderly for there to be a debate in this House on Welsh independence. Members enjoy immunity for the words they utter in this chamber and can come to no grief as a result of their freedom of expression.